What does it mean? Oh, here's quite an easy one. What does it mean when a supplier says OEM and ODM? Does anybody know, before I kind of go through it, what the terms OEM and ODM mean? All right, while you're trying to figure that shit out, just in case you don't know. So OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. And typically what that is, it's like a good example is an iPhone, okay? So an iPhone is the end product, but to make an iPhone, there are a lot of other factories involved other than the sweatshops that actually put them together. I don't know if they're put together by sweatshops, who knows? Other than those people putting them together, okay? So there's a lot of other manufacturers like the chip manufacturers, the lenses, the cases, the circuitry, the circuit boards, bloody battery, bloody, okay? So heaps and heaps of different factories all making those things, and typically they are called OEM factories. So they typically create components that are used in other products. So that's what an OEM does, an OEM factory does, all right? Versus an ODM, which is called Original Design Manufacturer. And ODM is somebody that you can go to when you're looking for some fundamental changes to be made to a product, where you're almost designing the product from scratch. So let's suppose you've got an idea for a, I don't know, like a squeaky toy, for instance. Then you'd want to go to an ODM to get your design for your squeaky toy made. Versus if you just want to put your somebody else's squeaky toy into some new packaging, you wouldn't need an ODM for that. You could just use a private label factory, which is what we use for the most part, and then put it in some new packaging, okay? So just to be clear, for 99.9% of the time, when we are doing private labeling, we're not working with ODM factories, we're just working with a factory directly. And what we're doing is we're taking something they already manufacture, and we are putting our logo onto it and putting it into our packaging. So that's private label, okay? Versus you want to create something new with a new design completely, then you'd go to an ODM to go and get that done. So hope that you can understand the difference between those two, okay?
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.